learning goal today is I can show 0 less and 1 less by drawing a picture and writing subtraction number sentences. So I have a bracelet that I am going to draw in a picture. Here's my bracelet, and on my bracelet I have some beads. I have 5 red beads and 5 black beads. How many beads do I have? That's right, I have 10 beads. Now I'm taking one bead away and I am moving it up here. So when I take it away and I move it up here, how many beads do I have down here? That's right, I have 9. If I were to write that as a number sentence to show what I did, I would say 10 minus 1 equals, and if I look down here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 beads after I move the one bead up here. So I did 10 minus 1 equals 9. Remember what my learning goal is. I can show 0 less and 1 less by drawing a picture and writing subtraction number sentences. So I drew a picture to show 10 minus 1 equals 9, and then here I wrote my number sentence. Okay, so here's my bracelet again, where we counted the 9 beads down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the bead that we moved away. So I have 9 beads down here. So if I was to take another bead away, if I were to take this bead away, I'm going to cross it off and it's going to come up here. I took one of these 9 beads away. So if I were to write a subtraction sentence for that, it would be 9 minus 1 equals, and I would now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 beads up here. Okay, so now I have 2 beads up here, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 beads here. So now I'm going to move this bead here. I'm going to cross it off and it's going to come up here. So we're pretending this bead is gone. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 beads. So what did I do? I had 8 beads here, and I'm taking away another bead, and now I have 7. Now you are going to get your problem set paper and you're going to do problem number 1 with me. So you're going to put your name on here. Here I'm going to put my name, Marzulo. And then I am going to solve these problems by crossing off when needed to subtract. So here's my first problem, 6 minus 1. Now that seems like a really simple problem, but we are going to make the beads. We're going to pretend we have those beads like we had in my picture. So right here, I have 6 beads. Notice that these are a group of 5 beads that are together. They look black, but we're going to pretend those are red. And then here's another bead, because we have to have 6. So if we have all here, this is 6 beads, and if we're going to take one of those away, we're going to cross this bead off. So then we have this group of 5 here. So 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Now we're on problem number 2. It should look like this on your paper. And the problem is 6 minus 0 equals. You probably know that answer right away, but we want to make sure we understand what that looks like. So we're pretending that we have those beads still from my bracelet, and we have a group of 5 red beads, but we have to have 6 because we're solving 6 minus 0. Well, if I have 6 beads like I do here, and it's minus 0, I'm not going to cross any of these beads out because I'm not going to take anything away. So 6 minus 0 is going to be 6. Now the rest of the problems on your paper on the front look like this. Problems 3 through 10. So we are going to practice solving these using a group of 5 beads that we're going to draw. So I'm right here. Here's the directions. It says if you want, make a 5 group drawing for each problem like the ones above, like this. Show the subtraction. So we have a problem here, number 3. The problem is 7 minus 1. So I'm going to make, remember my beads, I had a group of 5 red beads. So I'm going to make that first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I had 7. My problem is 7 minus 1. So here's the other 2 beads. So I have 7. And now I'm going to take one of those beads away. So I'm just going to cross off that last bead. And I know that this is a group of 5, so I can see right away I have this 3, 4, 5. And then the rest of my beads, remember, were white. 6, 7. So there's my 7. My problem is 7 minus 0. Well, I'm not going to cross any of these out because I can't, if it's 0, I can't take any beads away. So this is going to be 7. We're going to do one more problem, number 5, and then I want you to try to do the rest of them on your own. So we're down here at number 5, and our problem is 10 minus 1. So I have to make 10 beads on my bracelet. So if you remember, I had 5 red, and I have 5 white. And then I'm going to take away one of those beads. So I'm going to cross out this one. So to think about how many I have left, yes, I could count back 1 from 10. But I could also think about, well, I have a group of 5 here, and I could count on from there. 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have 9 left. So now you're going to try to do the rest, and I want you to try to draw those beads to help you. Remember on my bracelet I had 5 red ones and 5 white ones. So see if you can use the picture, drawing the picture of the beads, the red and the white beads, to help you solve the rest of these. And then complete the back as well. When you're done, you need to show your teacher your work.